This video is all about finding the area of a triangle. If side B is given as 4.8 centimeters, side C is given as 6.9 centimeters, and side A is given as angle A is given as 47 centimeters. Find the area of the triangle and also find side A. So now let's begin. But before we begin, I will try to explain the formula of a triangle. Now, let me just draw what was given. A, let's say this is B and C, and B is what? 4.8 centimeter. C is 6.9 centimeter, and A is unknown, while angle A is what? 47 degree. Now we are asked to find the area. Now, arbitrarily, if you now rule a line that comes and touch line AB at perpendicular. Now this line now becomes the height of the triangle from C. Now if you look at this triangle, now let's say it meets it at what? D. Now if you look closely, now you will now see in triangle ACD, in triangle ACD. Now, triangle ACD is a right angle triangle. So, now, in this case, we now made AB as the base. AB is equal to the base of the triangle. Now, we can now say area of the triangle is equal to half base times what? Height. And the base already is given as C, small letter C, times the h as height. Now, in triangle ACD, we can also solve this AB as the base of triangle ABC. Let me just, and now this is the area of triangle ABC. The area of triangle ABC, that is what I'm looking for. But in triangle ACD is said to be what? A right angle triangle. So since it's a right angle triangle, we'll now use what we call SOHCAHTOA. Now SOHCAHTOA, if you look at SOHCAHTOA, the sign, but we want to look for the height. Now the height is opposite to this angle A. So we can now say sine A is equal to the height, which is what? CD divided by, that is the opposite all over the hypothesis. So the hypothesis of triangle ACD is AC. So all over what? AC. This is opposite all over what? Hypothesis. Now the opposite is H, while the hypothesis is what? B. Now this is over 1. Now if you will now have sine A all over 1 equal to height all over B. If you cross multiply, height will now be equal to B times sine A. So we've gotten the formula to get your height. So now If you input it into, let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now substituting h equal to b sine a into equation 1, you now have area of triangle ABC equal to half C times B sine A. So this is the same thing as saying half BC sine A. Now, since we are given B and C and the angle A, now we can calculate the area of the triangle. The area of now the triangle will now be half times B is 4.8 times C, which is 6.9 sine 47. So this is the same thing as saying half times 4.8 times 6.9 times sine 47 using our calculator is 0.7314. Now, if you also use your table, you can also use your table to get this. Now, multiplying this whole thing with your calculator, you now have 12.11 centimeter square as the area. This is the first equation, the first problem. Now, the second part of the problem is, now we are given, let me draw it again. We are given here to be 4.8. We are given the angle 47. We are given here to be 6.9. Here is C. Here is B. You're asked to find A. So, what we're going to use to find A, we're going to use the cosine rule. So, for cosine, the cosine rule, we're looking for A. The cosine rule, let's say we're using cosine rule. The cosine rule, you have A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos what? A. Now, B square is what? 4.8 square plus C square is 6.9 square minus 2 times 4.8 times 6.9 cos 47. Now, 4.8 with your calculator, you have 23.04 plus 6.9 square. With our calculator, we have 47.61 minus 2 times 4.8 times 6.9 will give us 66.24. Now, cos 47, using our calculator, we have 0.6820. So, now we now calculated this. What we got was 25.47432. So, this is approximately. Now, taking the square root of both sides, you now have the square root of A square equal to the square root of 25.47432. Now, you now have A to be equal to 5.05 centimeter. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.